Hey Glam fam, so today we are going to be getting incredibly glam and we're going to do this makeup right here. I am really feeling it and I think it is gorgeous, and I'm very sad that I have nowhere to go and that I'm going to eat, get in the shower, wash this off, and go to bed. It's tragic. It really is tragic. This video is in sponsorship with Deck of Scarlet. I'm sure you guys have heard of them. If you have not heard of Deck of Scarlet, they are a makeup palette subscription service that sends you a new makeup palette every other month for just $29.99. I am so excited to be collabing with them this month because the palette is amazing. We will get more into that in the video. Please don't forget to subscribe down below. It's that red button, and if you click that and then click the bell notification next to it, you will never miss another one of my videos. Well, at least that's what YouTube says. And without further ado, let's get into this tutorial. Alright guys, so we are going full glam with this look. So we are going to start off with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. We're going in with the Kat Von D foundation, and this is the 24-hour wear full coverage lock-it foundation. Now we are going to go in and conceal. I'm going to be using the Amazing Cosmetics Illuminate Concealer. So we're going to go underneath the eyes, on our forehead, and wherever else we need concealer. So I like to go around the noses, on the outside of my mouth. Just blend this up, and then a little bit here. Go in and blend that out with the Sigma blender sponge, which I have been loving lately. We're gonna go in with some powder. This is the Airspun Loose Powder. You can get this at CVS or Walgreens, Walmart, any place like that. And then set wherever else we need that little extra staying power. This is the Collab Concealer. And I'm actually just going to put this on my eyes and blend this out. We're gonna set that with a tiny bit of powder, not much, guys. Then I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and dust whatever powder is left on my face off. I'm going to be going in with the new Deck of Scarlet palette. If you guys don't know who Deck of Scarlet is, where have you been? I have been working with Deck of Scarlet for 5 palettes now, and I can tell you I have never received one that I was unhappy with. Deck of Scarlet is a subscription service. Every other month you get a different palette. So you get a new palette every other month, and it is $29.99. Really nice box. And then you open it up, and this is the inside, which, let me tell you, is really, really nice. The packaging is very stable, and I love the way it feels. Deck of Scarlet works with a new influencer every other month, which is so awesome. This month they worked with Christina X Makeup. She is a beauty YouTuber here on YouTube, and she does some fantastic looks. This month I'm so excited because you get this glitter liner, and you guys already know me. I love me some glitter liner. So we have this, and this is called Sparkler. So here it is. This is the palette. These are the colors of this month's palette. This is a super nice warm color, and this is called Moonstone. And this one is a super shimmery bronzy color, and that is called Bad Behavior. We have Metal Rose and Koi for our lipsticks, and then Lemoncello, which is a neon yellow, and I'm super excited to use it. Tan Lines, which is a reflective gold color, and then Onyx, which is black. Ooh, another thing I forgot to mention is that it comes with a really nice mirror as well. First, we are going to be taking Moonstone color right here, and we are going to put that into our crease. Deck of Scarlet is sponsoring this video, but as usual, you guys already know, I will always tell you my truthful thoughts on the product. And this product kind of speaks for itself. Do you see how easily that color just blended out? Super easy. Just going to build that color up a bit in the crease. We are now going to put that along the bottom of our lash line as well. And we're going to really smoke this out. Once that is done, we are going to go in with a concealer, and we are going to cut our crease. Not just any cut crease. We are going to do a very big winged cut crease, and I'm really excited about it. Right, once we have our brush loaded up with concealer, I'm just going to go in and cut this crease out. We won't stop, got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking with you. And then blend out that cut crease. We're going to place the Lemoncello in the first part of our cut crease, and then we're going to take Tan Lines and put that onto the outer portion of our cut crease, and we're going to blend the two together. Ooh. Do you guys see that? Oh my goodness, that's pretty too. Look at that. We are then going to go in with the Onyx, and we are just going to deepen that cut crease line just a little bit. Eyebrow brush, and just trace along this edge. I'm crazy. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with a tiny bit of black on a bigger brush and just start to blend that out. Using flickering motions, just work that black up just a tad. You know it, we make it. We are going to go in with that Moonstone again and just blend that black up into that Moonstone. And then I'm just going to go in with a little black just to deepen that once more. Once we're done with that, we're going to go back in with Moonstone and just blend that up into our eye look. And then I'm just going to take a little bit of the black color and just deepen the under part of our eye just a little bit. Oh, my baby. So I'm going to work some magic and do my eyebrows right now. Now we're going to line our eyes, and I'm going to be using the NYX Epic Ink Liner in black. We're going to wing our eye and follow this cut crease.
You around my life, gym walking, crosswalking, lip locking, but you, I know it, you know it, we make it.
I'm just gonna go in with a little tiny brush and just darken this black up a bit. Now for what is going to make this really pop. We are going to take the glitter liner and sparkler, trace the cut crease right where the black meets the other colors. I'm going to curl my lashes, put some mascara on, and some falsies, and I'll be right back. Alright, we are going to go in with Bad Behavior and just make those babies shine.
Got your feet both light, you get to fly with me.
Now we are going to move on to the face, and so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be contouring with my Hoola Bronzer by Benefit, and we're just going to go in.
I know it, you know it, we make it.
My kitten has been sleeping at the base of my chair since we started filming this. He's a sleepy boy. Then I'm going to run some Deck of Scarlet mascara on the bottom lashes. Then I'm going to go in with that Moonstone color, and we are going to use this as our blush very lightly. Oh, that's very nice. Starting back on the outer portion of our face and then bringing it into our apples of our cheeks. We'll make sure that we don't have too much product on the center of our cheeks. We're going to do our lips. So let me take this lip balm off, and we're going to go in with Koi right here and put that onto our lips.
Lip locking, but you, I know it, you know it, we make it.
The last step is our highlight, and we are actually going to go back to one of the older Deck of Scarlet palettes, which are amazing, and you can still purchase, by the way. And we're going to highlight with Shh. Ooh, so pretty. And that, my loves, is the end of this tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I really love how this turned out. That yellow color is to die for. It's probably the brightest yellow color I think I've ever used. And don't forget to subscribe down below. It's that red button. It's free, and I post new videos every single week. Please don't forget to check out Deck of Scarlet in the description below. They have some crazy amazing makeup that I stand behind wholeheartedly, and I know you guys will love it if you guys check them out. But other than that, I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. I love you guys. Bye! Mwah!
Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So